Hi! Okay, so Mark and I are gonna go out into the blizzard. We'll see how this goes. Okay, it's really windy. Whoa! We're gonna get out in the open. Let's go this way.
Watch it.
It's deep there. No cars, obviously, because they're not allowed on the road. My teeth are really cold.
Oh crap, it's deep.